Good Wednesday! What are we making today? Oh, looks like a stew! You know, we're making a 1954 Hunts tomato sauce stew. Oh, hey, it might help if we have the Hunts tomato sauce. Hunts tomato sauce. 1954. That was 2 years before I was born. I like vintage Hunts ads. Google vintage Hunts tomato sauce print ad, and you're going to find a lot of vintage ads with recipes. It's kind of fun. Now this recipe calls for peas, optional. It says if you like, throw in peas. I'm going to throw in celery. Come on. I'm not the biggest fan of peas. I'll eat them. I hated them as a kid. My mother would make me stay at the table until I finished my peas, and I'd put them in a napkin or hold them in my mouth. Oh, she got mad. And my father was 27 years old when this recipe came out. We got 6 small onions, 6 potatoes, 6 carrots. You know, today produce is like mutant. It's mutant produce. And these carrots were huge. The print ad shows a couple of full-length carrots. So I assortedly cut them up. 2.16 of beef. It says to use lean beef, but, you know, meat is fattier these days, too. And today we're going to be using our Tim Love 6-quart stock pot. If you can find these, they're really nice. Very thick steel. It's got a 2 mil copper plate on the bottom. It's very nice. And I'm not going to take a chance that it's going to be too small. I think 6 quarts should be enough. If you look at the print ad, the beef is cut really big. We're not talking small chunks here. We're talking primeval. We're talking primeval food here. Whole onions, whole potatoes, big cuts of meat. Let's stop yapping and let's start making a 1954 beef stew. We're checking at the hour mark. 1 hour. Oh, it smells really good. I can smell the time. 30 minutes to go. It's been 40 minutes. We are going to check the status of the beef. Oh my. Oh yeah. Let's do a beauty shot. Let's test a piece of meat. Oh, it feels tender. Let's see if the veggies are cooked. sure the carrots are. Yeah, the carrots are the potatoes. Let's test a potato real quick. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. Let's try a piece of meat. Oh, it's tender. Meat's tender, just the potato cooked. Oh, the potato's cooked. All right. Let's plate up. Let's skim off some of that oil. I can separate it later. That looks good, man. If this were Master Chef and this isn't salty, we're in trouble. Here we go. Oh. I may put a little salt on. It's just barely salty enough. If you add too much salt, you can't take it out. Just put a little salt. We're gonna try this stew. I know the carrots are done. Oh, the carrots are soft. Try carrot. Here we go. Is it too hot? Oh. Let's cut that onion in half. Oh yeah. Oh my. Oh my. I've never cooked a whole onion. Oh, it looks tender. 1954. Hunts beef stew. Here we go. That's very good. I didn't skim a lot of the fat off. That's okay. Let's try celery. Celery has a little crunch. Is that a big? That's a big piece. I have a big mouth. That's a big piece for a big mouth. Oh, you know, it said cook 30 to 45 minutes longer. I think the meat is perfect. Onions and the potatoes seem a little overcooked. It depends on how you feel overcooked is. As long as I can get it on my fork. Here we go. Onions. When you cut up the onions, you put it in the beef stew. Of course, it's going to flavor the stew a little more. But this really tastes like onion because the inside was sealed, sort of. This really has an onion flavor. I like cooking onions this way. You don't need to see me eat the whole stew, but I'm happy. I'm very happy, 1954 Hunts beef stew. Oh yeah. The meat is beautifully tender. Just falls apart. Thank you for joining me this Wednesday. Thanks for watching. Oh. 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 Oh.